Dino rocket. And the deer.
Randomly came across it in a book's about 5 times larger. Subscribe so how to get candles.
Okay.
You can get candles from chests, raids, and cultists. Candles. I can't touch a color white and 99 nights in the forest. Okay, we're in. You see, when you go to McDonald's, they almost never allow you to buy Sprite from the bottle, and it makes them billions because the Sprite in a cup uses fresh syrup and cold water to give it more fizz. At first, you might think they add a secret ingredient to make it spicier, but that's not actually true. You see, when you go to McDonald's, they almost never allow you to buy Sprite from the bottle, fresh syrup and cold water to give it more fizz. You ever wonder why McDonald's Sprite always tastes better? At first, you might.
Lima.
Napala ako tinabihan, tulik-tik mo sa akin. Tulog. Nakalina 20 to.
Si Drazen.
Ayun yung mga pera nito, so maghahanap kayo.
Asan yung?
Ayun, kanina sinisisi ako.
Asan?
Oo!
Oh.
Kalat yung pera nito.
Ah. Meron kayong plate, mama?
Carla,
Ano lang, yung Haji ba? Pati overload. Parehas lang yun.
ano ba yun?
Parang quick din yun. Lasa din ito. Haji
Alal ba,
Sa courage.
May
Ganun
quick
ba?
pa yata. Ayun, may quick pa. Minum ka muna.
Nasaan?
Ito, oh.
Ay, pala may quick.
Taga.
Kago na.
Ubusin mo yan, ubusin mo yan. Kung kailan ka video na tutulog si Audrey. Ubusin mo yan! Darl!
Chocolate.
Bibigyan na natin. Ubusin mo yan. Tapos lagay mo sa lamin.